Hey everyone, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this Marley hairstyle quick and easy. So basically I went ahead and pre-sectioned my hair before I went to work, but I went ahead and put this head wrap on because I didn't want anyone to know that I was working on my hair while I was at work. So this is how it looks when I take the head wrap off. I just did that so that I could make it through work today, and I already have it pre-sectioned, so when I get home I can immediately start on my Marley twist. So I'm just getting my hair aired out and loosened up from being in that bun all day, and then I'm gonna get ready to start working on my hair. So right here I'm just basically showing you how I sectioned my hair off into big squares. I did really big squares so that it wouldn't take me too long to do my hair, but just showing you my parting and how it looks up under all of my hair. I used 4.5 packs of this hair in the color 1B/purple, and I'm just showing you right here where I have done a few of them. I've got it started, just showing you how it looks so far. Before twisting each square, I made sure to moisturize each square one at a time to make sure that each piece got plenty of moisturization. For each twist, I make sure to use 2 pieces of the Marley hair, which it already comes pre-separated, which makes it super easy. So I'm basically going to start it off as a basic box braid. Just loop the hair around and you basically just start braiding. Once you got that loop, you can just start braiding or plaiting the hair. So I'll keep doing that about 3 or 4 times, and then once I've done that a few times, I will split my own natural hair into 2 pieces. So right here is where I'm showing where I'm just splitting my hair into 2 pieces. And I'm going to add it with the Marley hair. And then I'll just begin to start twisting it all the way down. I made sure to add shining gem along the entire twist just to make it look smoother, and also to help my hair to blend in and not be sticking out, make it definitely look more neater. So once I've twisted almost to the very ends, I always try to make sure to have both sides equal. So I'll borrow hair from each side just to make sure that they're equal all the way down. This helps the hair, in my opinion, to stay at the ends and not unravel, and it also helps it to look more uniform. So I just make sure to have the hair even on both sides all the way down to the very end. So once I get to the very bottom, I just take my finger and literally twist it. Just twist until it just curls up into like a little twist ball. And that pretty much keeps it staying for me. I do not have to worry about this unraveling. And this is what the twist looks like. I think this is a really nice length and also a good amount of thickness, in my opinion, because it's not too heavy, not too bulky. Looks very neat and uniform. So I finished my hair. It took me 3 hours and 42 minutes. I timed it on my phone. And after I did my hair, I immediately put my bonnet on and went to sleep. So this clip right here is actually the next day. I was so relieved to be able to wake up in the morning and have my protective hairstyle done so that I don't have to waste time in the mornings getting ready on my hair. Just showing you guys what it looks like. I think it came out really nice. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. What you think about this. I love that this hair is purple, but it's not like vibrant purple. It's very pretty and a subtle purple. I really like this. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If I forgot to answer any questions, make sure to answer them down in the comment box. But all in all, I absolutely love this hairstyle. It's so easy to maintain. I just put my bonnet on at night. In the daytime, like when I'm going to work, I like to pull it like this off of my face. It's very lightweight and it's just super easy and simple. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.